People ask me how did I remember so much detail. For stuff that happened 40-something years ago. It was easy, just a couple of rums and away I'd go. There are some people I need to thank. Bob Whittaker was the first person to encourage me to write my story. And he was very generous with some tips and stuff which I took no notice of. Brian Hartigan published chapters in Contact magazine. This generated a lot of interest in my story. Many chicks wrote to Brian requesting more pictures of me, preferably with my shirt undone. David Murphy was the final impetus for me to complete my story. He spent quite some time editing and getting it into ebook format. Apparently, he is ugly and doesn't have many friends, so he has plenty of time on his hands. And finally, I want to thank Paula Cavanough. Every morning she gets down on her knees and thanks God she is married to me. I don't know how she puts up with being married to a total idiot. I think my good looks may have something to do with it. I hope you enjoy my story and you get something out of it. Cheers, Cav.